Please support our content creation. Subscribe for just €2 per month via the Ireland Made website. To help fund the travel costs of our team, we've put together a collection of downloadable transport prints. Our collections come from a wide range of historical automotive books, manuals and catalogues and are perfect for any home or workspace.